Welcome to the Florida Courts e-filing portal. This YouTube training video will be for the self-represented litigant and show you some getting started or before you e-file features. The self-represented litigant, also known as a pro se litigant, is a person who is representing themselves in a lawsuit. There are things that you should know and be aware of prior to filing your documents electronically through the portal. This YouTube video will give you some resources to check out prior to filing your documents electronically to help you to submit documents and forms that you will need. To get started, let's take a look at a few web pages that would be of interest to you. The first one we're going to look at is the Florida Courts web page. The Florida Courts web page is www.flcourts.org. There is a lot of information available for the self-represented litigants on the Florida Courts web page. Right here in the middle, under Self-Help, they give you access to family law forms, where you can find helpful information, a list of self-help centers that are near you. So based on your location in the state of Florida, it will break down the different circuits within the state and then the counties that are found within those circuits. And where available, they will give you a phone number and a pro se help center. Again, this is on the Florida Courts webpage. It is broken down by circuit. Also available under your self-help section is a link to legal aid. And these legal aid facilities are also located in specific areas throughout the state of Florida. So you would find where you're located and then click on the link to get help from the legal aid society that is closest to your area. There's also a lawyer referral link. That lawyer referral link will take you to the Florida Bar's website. By clicking on the link at the Florida Courts website, it will refer you to the Florida Bar website and to a hotline where you'll be able to call and receive access to phone numbers or names of people within the Florida Bar that may be able to offer you assistance or service. Again, going back to the Florida Courts webpage, you can actually click on Learn More from the Self-Help section, and it will explain to you information and answer questions that the portal service desk will not be able to answer for you. It will point you in the direction of family law forms or other types of forms that are available and approved by the Florida Supreme Court and helpful for you when filing documents electronically. It gives you a list of the type of cases that they will have the ability to help you with and provide forms so that you can complete the form, scan the form, and then electronically file it. So that's a look at your Florida Courts webpage. Next, I would suggest that you go to the specific county that you will be filing to. Here is a look at the Palm Beach County webpage, and they offer, under the Court Services link, Self-Service Center information, which will help the pro se or the self-represented litigant file documents electronically It will also give you access to court forms that are required by the various counties, provide YouTube or WebEx training, all done through the county. A complete list of available forms, interactive online forms for your various case types. So again, this is Palm Beach County. And if we jump over to Pinellas County, if you go down towards the bottom under Other Information, you will see that they also can provide you with a link to self-help centers, wherein it will give you access to forms required by the counties, give you Florida family law rules and forms, videos, and FAQs regarding filing by the pro se filer in the Pinellas County area. Finally, we'll take a look at Leon County. And you can see Leon County as well offers you services, online services, forms, and assistance under the clerk services that are available for the self-represented litigant. You would choose under Forms and Assistance the type of case that you're looking to file or to file a document to, and then follow the link. The next website we're going to take a look at is the Florida Bar website. The Florida Bar website would give you access to finding an attorney or finding out more information about the bar and what they are able to provide you, the self-represented litigant. You also have access under the e-filing portal webpage, under the Help menu, to frequently asked questions. So you'll be able to go to a link to frequently asked questions for filers, as well as e-service tips for filers. You'll also have links to training manuals. This will give you a paper manual in PDF format that you can save to your desktop, fully searchable. Here is the Self-Represented Litigant e-filer manual, which is there and available for you to use, as well as training videos available both here from the Florida Courts e-filing portal webpage. Here's your training for the self-represented litigant. It's a YouTube video that's 32 minutes long, as well as going directly to the YouTube page for the Florida Courts e-filing portal, where you have access to 51 different training videos regarding e-filing. The title of the video tells you what it is about, and within each page of the portal you also have access to a YouTube video, so that when you log into the portal, you'll see in the upper right hand corner you have 3 different links, one for the training manual, one for a training video as it relates to the page that you're on, and a frequently asked questions. So you have training manuals and videos available for you from the Florida Courts e-filing portal webpage, within the actual portal itself, and also from your YouTube. The third and final place to find information is the News and Information section of the portal. When you go to a specific county to file your documents to, the News and Information section could give you more information about filing documents in that specific county. So if you were to go to the e-filing map and choose Leon County and click on File Now. The News and Information section for Leon County could have information specific to e-filing in that county. Let's take a look at Broward County and see if they have information available in the News and Information section. You can see they have quite a bit of information with links to documents if they need to share more information than they have room for in the News and Information section. And you can also expand this section. So between the ePortal webpage, the individual county's website, and the News and Information section, as well as the Florida Courts homepage, you should have access to quite a few resources to find forms, to find legal aid assistance, to find family law opinions, rules, and most information you're going to need to know to file documents electronically on your behalf. Next, before you file electronically, you're going to want to generate your documents. So I would suggest that you computer generate, whenever possible, your documents so that you can electronically file them into the portal. To create your document, go to your word processor and type in the information in a document format that you are going to be filing with the court. You would need to have the county that you're filing to, the style of your case number, and what your document is. So computer generate your document by either free texting the document yourself or using a form that is available from the Florida Courts webpage. Once you've created your document, you would want to save your document to a place on your computer where you know you have your documents that have been computer generated and are ready to be filed. You can also save that document as a PDF document. To do that, you simply save the document you've created by changing your Save As type. You choose PDF, and it will then save that document as a PDF document, which means it cannot be edited. One less step for the portal to do when you submit your documents. So once you have computer generated, if possible, all of your documents, by either using the free text or by using a form, you would save those documents to a place on your computer where you know they are located, they're in their final version, and they're ready to be filed. Then you would go to the Florida Courts webpage and use your username and password that you have already created to submit your documents for filing. Thank you.